Hot buns paired with cold soda is a match made in heaven. I want to ask a question. When was this snack introduced to you? Is it in primary or in secondary school? Let me know in the comment section. Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Nigerian buns paired with coconut flakes. My buns recipe is crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. I assembled all the dry ingredients: flour, brown sugar, you can use white sugar, a pinch of salt, baking soda, and here I'm adding nutmeg. If you don't like nutmeg, you can use vanilla extract or any other flavor that you like. I'm going to combine the dry ingredients together with my hand. You can use spatula for this process, but I feel like my hand makes it more easier to combine. So at this point, I'll be adding salted butter. If you're using salted butter, be careful with the amount of salt you will add to your dry ingredient. You're going to mix the butter into the flour until it's properly dissolved. You then make a hole in the middle to add your wet ingredient. Now for my wet ingredients, I'll be using evaporated milk. You can also decide to use powdered milk. All you need to do is to use water to dissolve it. Before you introduce it to your dry ingredients, I will also be adding 2 eggs later, and I will tell you why. In case your milk is not enough for the mixture, you can introduce water, or you can also add water into your milk so it will be enough for the mixture. While you're adding the water, I would suggest you add bit by bit until you get to your preferred texture. You can see that I'm adding the water bit by bit, okay? And for the color of this butter, you know that is the brown sugar that I added, okay, that changed the color, and I love this color. Okay, after adding the water bit by bit, I got to this consistency, and this is the consistency I will be going for. When I add the egg, it will loosen up. I added the egg at this time because I'm almost done, and then I wanted it to aid the crunchiness of this buns on the outside, if that makes sense. You can see that the butter has loosened up a little bit. That was the reason why I didn't add more water. Bringing in the twist, coconut flakes. I will add this coconut flakes and then mix it together to incorporate with the butter. After mixing thoroughly, you're going to heat up your oil and it will be time to fry. You're going to scoop the butter, press your index finger with your thumb, and then release it into the oil. Or you can use any spoon of choice. Don't worry about the shape. If it is not round, when it gets to the oil will, do the work. And however it comes out, Nigerian buns is not supposed to be purely smooth. In case you don't understand what I mean by your index finger and your thumb, you can see what I'm doing, okay? Just do it anyhow you can. With time, you'll be able to figure it out. And this is how it should be done. You can use any spoon of choice to achieve this. Please, before you start frying, make sure that your oil is not so hot. Otherwise, it will be brown outside and will not be cooked inside. And also make sure to reduce your heat. Don't fry with a very high heat. This is the second batch and it's properly fried. Can you see the vibrant color? Can you see the vibrant color of these buns? These buns came out very delicious. If you try this recipe, I know you'll be hooked to it. If you're new here, welcome. This is 426 Kitchen. I'm glad you stopped by. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. All right, I appreciate you. If you love what we do here, kindly subscribe to the channel so you see our videos each time we upload, and also turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified. Thank you. And here the buns is ready. Pair this with a very chilled soda and enjoy. Can you see the vibrant color? It came out really well. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next video, do have a pleasant day. Bye bye.